So I just finished washing my hair, and to wash my hair I use the BIOLAGE Color Last shampoo. This is the purple shampoo because I do have blonde highlights in my hair, and to condition I went in with the BIOLAGE Color Last conditioner as well. The shampoo I usually leave in for about like 3 to 5 minutes just so it kind of tones my highlights a little bit. Right now I don't really care for it to be toned because with spring coming along, I wear my hair curlier more in the summertime, so I'm not going to be too occupied about having it toned because it's always going to be really curly and you're not really going to notice as much the highlights. So then after I shampooed, conditioned, I went in with the Color Care, or actually in between. So in between shampoo and conditioning, I went with the Color Care Acidic Milk Rinse, also by BIOLAGE. And I kept this in for about 10 minutes. Now my hair is just in one of my boyfriend's t-shirts, just so it soaks up a little bit of the moisture. I'm gonna take it down. And I blow dry my hair, blow dry and flat iron it just about all year round. The only time that I don't blow dry my hair is in the summertime because it's just way too hot and I'm gonna sweat it out anyways. But these are my curls. When they dry, they're like super intact. My hair is super curly. I think I have like 3B and 3C curls. So to blow dry, I'm gonna go in with the Paul Mitchell Marula Oil Rare Oil 3-in-1 Styling Cream. I'm gonna apply that to my hand. I usually apply that much. And I focus this on my edges pretty much because my hair is so much curlier there. And on the back of my hair right here, like the top back of it, because my hair tends to get frizzier there. So I also add a little bit of the Paul Mitchell AWAPUHI Styling Treatment Oil. And I put about this much. And this I focus on my ends. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Dyson. I love this thing. It is so fast, so quick, so good. What I can say is that it doesn't straighten my hair like OD. It straightens it enough for me to flat iron it afterwards. But I like that because then like that I'm not putting so much heat into it like from the start and then all the way through the end. So I go in with this and then I follow in with my flat iron. So, and then I'm just taking a roller brush. This one's a little dingy. I've had this one for years. 2013 to be exact. 2012 when I enrolled into Paul Mitchell the school. So this brush, this blow dry does the thing. I put some ice on you, I know I gotta go. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. I've been to be, is that okay? Is it okay if I clean my father, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top, bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot it, really bottom, babe. You know I like when you rap the top. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't
Like when you ride,
This is what my hair looks with just a blow dry. Okay, but I don't leave my hair like this. After the blow dry, I go in with my flat iron. And first, what I do is in with the AWAPUHI styling oil. Rub it on my hands, warm it up. I'm just gonna apply that on my edges. That back of my head that I said gets really frizzy, which you can see it's really frizzy. And run it through my hair, mainly my ends. We don't want them getting frizzed up. Don't forget the back of your head. Okay, and we're gonna let it be a little bit more voluminous. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it with the flat iron. So the last time that I straightened my hair, I kind of left it with this volume in it. And like I said, just flat iron little pieces here and there. And my boyfriend absolutely loved it. And I really loved it. It made my hair feel so much thicker because I do have naturally thin hair. So I'm gonna take my Paul Mitchell flat iron. This I got back in 2012 also. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip my hair to this side and I'm gonna grab little pieces, like my little edges right here that stay on the nappier side. And I'm gonna flat iron them backwards without following all the way through because I want to keep that curl at the end. And just taking little pieces, and you can see the difference on this side. It's super shiny and nice and straight compared to this side, which is still on the straighter side, but it doesn't have that shine, and you can also see it a little bit more on the crinklier side. So just following all the way through. Okay, so that's the front. Now we have to do the back. I'm just taking the back like this. Okay, now here I'm gonna target whatever areas I need to target in order to perfect my hair. So we're gonna part our hair. So now here, I'm gonna take these pieces, I'm gonna go straight up with them because I don't wanna lose that volume. And we're just gonna flat iron that part right there, just like that. And take it all to the side. I put some ice on you, I know I gotta go. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. I've been to beats, is that okay? Is it okay if I copy my father, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Then you want to shoot it real bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. Pay that ass back, she don't need no. 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 So now this part right here is just a little frizzy. So I'm gonna follow that curl, you see it? So we're gonna go in and follow the curl. And if you want it to be a little curlier, then you can still go in with your flat iron. Same thing here. I mean, you can go back in with your blow dryer. Just like that. So now, the back of my hair is probably frizzy compared to the front. So I'm gonna take a look at it. And yes, girl, you see that? That's not cute. So, we're gonna take the back of our hair. First, take a thin piece from the top, because this is the part that's really gonna show the shine. And flat iron that. And don't worry about the ends right now. Look, I have frizzy pieces up here. And this is only taking so long because I want to keep the volume, but otherwise I could have just flat ironed my hair completely, pinned straight, and I would have been done in seconds. So I'm combing out the back, taking my flat iron. And this hair is definitely hot, so. And I always get asked what temperature I put my flat iron in, and I usually go like 350, 360. I only flat iron my hair once a week, so it's not getting damaged.
I put some ice on you, cold. I know I gotta keep go. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. I've been to beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I clean my father pay? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot me real the bottom, babe. You know I like when you rap the top. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow. Pay that ass back, she don't need no blow.
Okay, baby, so this is the finished look for my hair. This is definitely a new routine of mine, and I love it, and I'm sticking to it. I love that I still get these really nice curled ends and still have a good amount of volume. And I love it. The products that I'm using definitely really work very well for my hair. They leave my hair very hydrated, very shiny, very pretty, and my hair will stay like this for like at least the next week or so. And even then, I don't wash my hair till like every 2 weeks because I'm naturally curly. My hair doesn't get as oily as everyone else's, but also I don't mind it. So once week 1 is over, then I go ahead and put it in a bun. But yeah, like it's nothing crazy for me. So it really lasts. This style really lasts on me. And I love it. And I hope you guys love it too and find it just as easy to do your hair at home as well. And if you're looking at this awesome bomb-ass makeup look, I went ahead and recorded it for you guys, and that's going to be on another video. So make sure to keep a lookout for that one. Okay? I'll see you guys. Bye.